So you've been looking for ways to make money on ClickBank, but without any success, or maybe you've seen some success, a little to no success. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 essential steps that you as a beginner can take to start earning money on ClickBank as soon as today. I've been on ClickBank for the past 10 years and I've split tested and tested many ways and methods on how to earn money on the ClickBank platform. I've generated hundreds and even thousands of dollars on the platform. So today I'm going to share with you 10 years of experience and knowledge. I'm going to summarize it, combine it into 3 easy steps that you can implement as soon as you finish watching this video. The first step is obviously to pick a niche or product or offer to promote. Now, I know many of you have watched multiple videos on YouTube telling you about how to pick the best converting offer or how to pick the best converting product on ClickBank. Now, I have a different approach than any of the other guys. I'm not saying they are not working, but I'm saying that this is what worked for me and for my people, for my company, because I also have people who run traffic with me who actually create campaigns, affiliate campaigns, and they help me out. These are my employees and I love them. Shout out to them. So when you're looking for an offer on ClickBank, when you're looking for something to promote, a lot of people are going with the highest product by gravity. What is a gravity? It's a score that is measured inside ClickBank that gives you an understanding of how a certain or specific offer is performing. The gravity score is kind of a combination between how many affiliates are promoting a specific affiliate offer and how much money they're making. So the higher the gravity, the better the chances for you to make money. This is how it actually sounds, right? But no, and this is why. A lot of these products, even though they have higher gravity, let's say 100, 200, even 300% or a metric of a gravity, even though they're the top products on the ClickBank platform, guess what? If many affiliates are promoting these products, that means the competition is enormous. So it's going to be very difficult for you as a beginner to start making money with picking a high converting product. So my approach is, instead of looking on the first page of the ClickBank products, go to the second, to the third, to the fourth page. You can scroll through all the pages on the marketplace in ClickBank and find an offer with lower gravity that you're going to have a better chance of making money with it because the market is not going to be so saturated. And the second thing, you're not going to compete with hundreds and even thousands of other affiliates. So what you should look for is an offer with a gravity between 20% and 60 to 80. That's the ideal spot for beginners. And if you're wondering for the niche or the category, you can pick any category you want. You can go with DIY, do it yourself, health and fitness, make money online, business, accounting, home improvement. There's so many categories on the ClickBank platform. And my advice would be pick an offer that you're already familiar with it. For example, when I first started out on ClickBank, I picked an offer that is into health and fitness niche because I like to be healthy, I'm very active, and I'm pretty interested in fitness and healthy lifestyle. I already had some knowledge about this topic, so I could better promote this offer, which leads us to step number 2 of this video. You have to provide value first. Once you pick an offer, once you find your desired high converting or medium converting offer on ClickBank, then instead of shouting out your affiliate links to people out there and asking them to buy your product, buy my product, buy my product, buy my product, instead, I have a different approach. I offer people something for free. This would be either an ebook or that would be a valuable blog post or a video that is going to help people out to understand, let's say, fitness problems or an exercise. So when I was starting out, I created an ebook that was showing people how to do deadlifts because, you know, you can really harm your spine doing the deadlifts in the wrong way. So I tried to help people to do better deadlifts by showing them the proper posture. I already had knowledge about it, so I wrote an article. I combined this article into an ebook and I started giving this ebook for free on my website. Talking about a website, you need a simple website or a landing page that you can put this free valuable gift. Either would be just a video or an ebook or just a blog post. You can create a website or a landing page absolutely for free using multiple different landing page or funnel builder softwares such as Wix, Clickera.com, ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels. There's so many. Personally, I use Clickera.com because it's free and it's very fast in today's internet economy. Let's say load speeds are essential. If your website does not load in 1 or 2 seconds, your prospect will bounce out. They will not stay to wait for a website to load. And on the other hand, if you don't have any knowledge about a topic, don't worry, I got your back. You go to a website called idpor.com. This website will provide you with royalty-free ebooks. And there's multiple different niches. You can pick gardening, you can pick home improvement, you can go with finances. In the search box in idpor.com, you can just simply type your keyword. In my case, I can type fitness or gym or exercises, and this website will give me suggestions, or it will actually give me different multiple ebooks royalty-free that I can put on my websites so people can download these ebooks and then benefit from my expertise. Now, you may be wondering, okay, but how do you actually make money that way? Well, if you go back to ClickBank, on the right side of each of these offers, you see a button that says promote. When you click it, you're going to be given a unique affiliate link. This is a dedicated link just to you. You can paste this link inside the ebook, or you can paste this link on your website. So this is a unique link generated just for you. Every time someone clicks that link, he's going to or she's going to be tracked. Once they purchase the product, you're going to get paid a commission. Just grab your affiliate links, put them inside the book, and I suggest put them by the bottom of the last page. Let's say your book has 5 pages or 10. And again, your book does not have to be a 100 pages book. Like I said, some of my books that I have provided for free are 10, 15 pages. And even right now, I have a free ebook you can download on my website, rossminchev.com, completely free, and it's 15 pages. But I'm straight to the point. The book is about ClickBank and how to start generating income from ClickBank. So I don't have any fluff and theory in that book. It's 15 pages, purely straight to the point action plan. This is what you need. 10, 15 pages, and you put your affiliate links at the bottom on the 10th page. So you want people to read your book, you want them to get to know you, you want them to understand that you're an authority in your niche, that you're a valuable person, providing valuable content, and then you give them an option to buy a product. Because now you have given them free information, and then by the end of this free information, you ask them, hey, if you liked this free information so far, I think you might love our paid, let's say, plan. Because on ClickBank, you can find offers with fitness programs or different ebooks. For example, you give them 10 or 15 pages ebook about fitness, but on ClickBank, you can find an offer that provides people with a book with 300 pages, multiple exercises, multiple trainings, video trainings, etc. So you have to find a congruency by providing an ebook about deadlifts only, and then giving them an option to buy a course to a fitness program, let's say. All right. Coming up to the final step, which is the third step. Now that you have picked your offer, you have created a website, you have found an ebook, or you have provided a valuable video so people can watch it and get educated. Your final step is to bring eyeballs to your website. And how do you do that? There are 2 approaches when it comes to bringing eyeballs or traffic in marketing terms to your website: paid and free. The free traffic source are usually organic approaches, and paid traffic. Paid traffic usually will bring you much faster results because you're going to see results within days. Whereas with the organic traffic, you have to start building your traffic channels, and sometimes it takes months and even years. And of course, this is because it is free. I do both of these traffic sources. I have organic channels, and I also use paid media. For paid media, I love to use Pinterest.com and Facebook.com. And lately I've been using TikTok as well. With the Pinterest, it's pretty interesting because if you use the paid traffic source, if you pay Pinterest to show ads to prospects, to potential customers, they actually can subscribe to your Pinterest account or channel, and then in a couple of months you can start getting even free traffic source. And this is what I did back in the day. I was running ads on Pinterest. I created so-called pins. You can create pins on Canva.com. I've been using Canva for multiple years. So you create a pin ad on Canva.com, then you upload this to Pinterest. And once I started running paid ads on Pinterest, when I stopped, for the next 4 months, I was still getting free traffic because I already had subscribers to my Pinterest board. Now, with the organic approach, today you have multiple AI tools that can help you out. You can use AI to write you an article. You can use an AI to write you a video. This video you can upload to multiple medias such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and even Pinterest. Basically, you create one video, you create multiple channels in all of these different mediums, even Twitter, and then you upload this video across all of these platforms. Your goal is to upload as many content as you can. For example, if you go with a video approach, you create videos, but you can go with a different approach where you create just posts. You can create a post on Facebook, you can create a post on Instagram, you can create a post on Twitter. The goal for this post or video is to, again, bring value. Give value to your prospects. The more value you give, the more organic traffic you're going to generate. And again, this can be related to health and fitness. For example, I can go to a software called invideo.io. They have an AI integrated software. I can ask the AI to write me a script about a video that helps people with deadlift. And then InVideo will actually create a video around this script that shows people doing fitness stuff. All right, so I can upload this video to Facebook, to Instagram, to TikTok, etc. Of course, this takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. But if you want to see faster results within few days, within a week, then we go with the paid ads. And like I said, I've been using a lot of paid ads on Pinterest, but also on Facebook. Facebook is the biggest traffic source on the planet, and I've been using Facebook ads for the past 10 years. In fact, this is what I've been showing to my students, how to set up Facebook ads, bring traffic, and make money with ClickBank. You can find links to this training down in the description below of this video. But here, I'm not trying to sell the program. I'm completely transparent with you. Yes, this is a paid course. Yes, it will actually skyrocket your campaigns, but you're absolutely free to go on your own with the free methods, or you can even try ads with Facebook on your own. Try it yourself, and then if you're stuck, you can sign up for a training. Either way, I would love to hear your comments down below in the comment section. Let me know which way would you prefer. Let me know which way you would choose to go, paid or free, and keep me posted with your results. That's basically it. I know it sounds kind of too simple, but people usually overcomplicate everything. Do not get the noise. I mean, I've been there. You watch this video and that video and this video and that video, and then you get overwhelmed and you don't do anything. Follow these 3 steps. Pick an offer, create a landing page around this offer, provide some value, and then bring traffic to this landing page. That's it. These 3 components. If you get these 3 components right, trust me, you will never have to worry about money ever again. That being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hit the thumbs up of this video if you like the information, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.